Today I'd like to talk about front ends and what I'd use and do. If you'll notice, I have a weight here on the front axle on the inside. That helps to give it more inside weight. Plus, as you can see, I've got weights on the side of the cars also. Now what I do, we're allowed to run offset cars, and to help with that, right here you can see a locking collar. Now, people used to use all those little spacers across here. I got tired of messing with the spacers to change the width of my front end. The maximum width outside to outside is 3 1/8 inches. But when you want to slide the tire in and out, all you have to do is go here to the locking screw and slide it in or out. The locking collar that I have here keeps it where I want it. I want the inside wheel to be as tight to the chassis as I can. I have found running full width on the front and narrow at the rear helps. If you'll see here, I also use a locking collar on the inside here so that the gear mesh all stays the same and I don't have to reset the gear or change out all those little spacers. I just take the nut here, or the Allen wrench, the Allen head, loosen it up, and I can move the wheel in and out. As you can see, I have plenty of axle on the inside. Back to the weight on the exterior. I make those in different widths, and then I just clean the end of the axle up and epoxy it on. That way I can run what some people call it a independent front end. There's no set screw in the wheel here, so it'll spin independently. It'll turn independently to the other side. And that's pretty much what I do on the front end of my cars. I have run titanium front axles. That really don't help none, because here we are putting weights on the outside, and there's just no need to put a titanium front axle. I have run a lot of titanium rear axles. You got to be careful running a titanium rear axle. Somehow or another, when they heat up, they'll expand and they will lock up in the bushing. You've got to really polish that axle good so that it will continue to run free. If anybody has any questions, put it in the comments. Please like and share so we can continue making these videos.